Hi, welcome all of you on Europedia Education, and this video is related to engineering subsidies exam. After the seats in railways were withdrawn from engineering subsidies, many students stopped writing this exam, thinking that railways was the only reason why we were writing for this exam, and number of seats are very less, so we are not going to write this exam. Now see, that is your own decision. In fact, we are not to tell you anything related to that, whether you are interested for writing or not. Though in my opinion, I think there are still good number of services in engineering services as of now, like military engineering services, MES job is very good, and central PWD jobs, etc. they are very good. So jobs other than railways are very good. And when at our time, when we used to aspire for these jobs and all, that time used to be engineering services and railway services, and this military engineering services, and for civil it used to be central PWD, and even other departments. These departments were also good to lead a good life, central government officer, and to have a good career, a safe career, and government jobs. Even today, engineering services are one of the best government jobs for engineers in India. Railways have taken out, but still they are good jobs. Now the second logic comes is, there are two reasons why students do not write this exam. One is railways taken out of it. Second is number of seats is very less. I get the opportunity to interact with many students, and in that interaction, I asked one of the student that you are again and again, he got selected in I think ISRO, and he said that I was writing engineering services and I was going till interview stage even after withdrawal of railways. I asked him, what motivated you to write engineering services when students are saying railways is less, you are from mechanical and number of seats are less now and all. He said, sir, as per my analysis, when railway seats were withdrawn, then it is only 20 marks difference, 20 to 30 marks difference that comes for getting the interview call. In fact, when railway seats were there, you will get the interview call for interview call at particular score, and now railways is not there, the score has gone up by 20-30 marks. So all we need to do is, we need to score 20-30 more marks, and that is not a trouble. And I think there are other jobs also which are equally good. So I understood that those who got selected, I think I have put many videos of those students who got in engineering services even after withdrawal of railways. So they are of the opinion that we want a single seat, and that is there, and that is, we are not even thinking, when we are going for this exam, we are not thinking, we are writing this exam. So with that mentality they are going. But as I told you, that is your own decision now. But if you have filled the form, this particular video is that if you have filled the form, any form, not engineering services, any form, make it a point that you prepare well and go to the exam. Do not keep filling the form for the sake of filling the form. If you have filled the form, prepare well and go for the exam. That is what the strategy has to be. That is what you should think. Now in Feb, engineering services exam is coming, and if many of you have filled the form, if you have filled the form, it is better that you prepare well and go to the examination hall. Don't go without preparation. Okay, number of seats is less, then why at the first place you filled the form? Should I fill the form or not? That is your decision. That I am not going to say anything, because if I say no, fill the form, number of seats are less, but you need to prepare, so you do that, it may not work, it may work for you. That is your own decision. But my point is, if you have filled the form, then go to the examination hall with full preparation. Keep that attitude in life, that whenever I am to write some exam, if I failed that exam, I am to give my best. That is one thing you need to keep in mind. Now where Europedia can help you is, like paper 1 of engineering services, which many of you do not get time and resource to prepare for. Europedia has done marvelous work in paper 1, that I can tell you honestly. Very good effort, very less time, and good preparation. Certainly you can think of scoring 130 plus if you develop the common sense of the subjects, like values and ethics, project management, environment. So these subjects, if you develop the common sense of these subjects, you can think of scoring 130 plus, and that can make a difference. And Europedia has made a very good material for that. You can avail the benefit of that material. That is, if you have filled the form, you can basically go for those classes with Europedia. And because the exam is in Feb, and many of you are aspiring to be in public sector or other opportunities through GATE also. So GATE और engineering services pre दोनों ही Feb में आ रहा है. So the strategy for that can be like, you need to focus on technical for GATE, and engineering success is also technical. So paper 1 ke liye you can depend upon your PDI, you can do that, because the content we are going to update the content of engineering success, so that preliminary also on the basis of the last year, and that we have done also. Mentors have updated that content so that you can utilize that score, you can use that particular content. And what is the advantage of your PDF compared to other such material available? Your PDF material is very concise and maximum output, like less study material to read and more marks you can expect in the examination hall, and we are updating that regularly. This is the advantage for that. So if you fill the form, prepare well, and I will discuss the strategy of engineering success preliminary and GATE in the same month, that also I will discuss, so that you can go to the examination hall with full preparation. All the best for your exam, and be motivated, keep your dream high and try to chase that. Thank you.